To transform, we innovate. Systemic and sustainable transformation can't be achieved by luck alone. It takes courage to ask the questions others aren't. To learn and share knowledge. To break, rebuild and reinvent what no longer serves progress. It takes passion to innovate and make an impact. To think big, to go bigger. To industrialize and commercialize the value we create. At OMV, we immerse ourselves in the world's we seek to change. With our Strategy 2030 in mind, we partner with those who challenge and teach us, making purposeful shifts in carbon reduction, sustainable materials and energy mix, and building the momentum that propels all of us forward together. OMV, to transform, we innovate.